Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix forgot password on laptop Windows 7. So I assume you have only local account. If you are connected with the Microsoft account, this method will be not working because local account only has this password stored on only laptop. So first method is use the built-in administrative account, and this is the easiest one. So once you see this login screen, you need to restart your computer by just go to tap on this, tap on restart, and when you see the login screen, press Ctrl Alt and Delete twice. The key combination is Ctrl Alt and Delete. You need to press it twice. This should be bring up the classic login box. That would be classic kind of login box. You need to type administrator without quotes in the username field. Leave the password blank and press the enter. So it will be you can be able to log into your system. If that doesn't work, try this. So first you need to restart your computer. When you see start a Windows or manufacturer logo, you need to press the F8 key on your keyboard until you see the advanced boot options. So I'm going to log in my system. So once you go to the advanced boot option, you need to select safe mode with command prompt. So assume you are now on that menu. So on the command prompt window, you need to select the that will be open as administrator window like this. So you need to type net user space administrator space / active yes. This will create the administrative account, and then after you can restart normally. Then type the login as administrative and without the password. This will you can able to log in your system. Once you logged into the administrative account, you need to go to start menu and go to the control panel and go to the user accounts and select your user account. So in my case, this is the account, and then there will be option called remove password. Click on it, then it will be remove the password from your account, or you can change your password something you know. Okay, if that method should work, but if it is not working, you have to reset the password with the Windows 7 installation disk. So first you need to create the installation media using Windows 7 ISO file. You can create a bootable pen drive if you like. Then you need to plug into your computer. Then after you need to restart your computer and boot from that pen drive. Usually F12, F10 or F2 key you need to press while your computer is booting. Then it will be you can select your boot drive. So select your pen drive and it will be boot from that one. So once you on the Windows setup screen, that means your Windows 7 installation screen, you need to press Shift plus F10 and it will open window command prompt like this. So assume you are now in the command prompt, you need to type this command one by one. So first you need to type copy space and your drive, in my case C drive. This should be simple, and backslash Windows backslash system 32 backslash setthc.exe file space your drive colon backslash Windows backslash system 32 backslash set c underscore, I will expand this one, set c then underscore backup.exe and hit enter. Then after again you need to type copy space C colon Windows backslash system 32 backslash cmd.exe space your drive again backslash Windows backslash system 32 backslash set c dot exe and hit enter. So you need to then exit the command prompt and reboot and remove the installation media. Then it will be reboot to Windows 7 login screen without you need to password. When at the password screen, you can press the shift key 5 times instead of sticky key. Command prompt will be open. So to reset your password when you are opening the command prompt by pressing shift key 5 times, you need to type net user space and your username. In my case it is Lakshan space your new password. I am going to give at 1234 and hit enter. If you don't know your username, you can type simply net users and you can see who are the users currently in your system. Okay, you can see my account is Lakshan. So yeah, and the last method is you can use offline NT password and registry editor, but I'm not recommend that one. So you can, because you can fix that issue using the previous methods. So if that also not working, you have to restore your system into the earlier point. So to restore your computer, you need to restart first. Then after, while before you are seeing the Windows logo, you need to press F8 key repeatedly. Then select the repair your computer option. Then press the enter and select the keyboard layout. Then you can see to access your restore option, choose your username, and if there is a restore available, you can select that one and restore to that point. And the last method is you have to reset your computer. To do that, first you need to create the ISO file and you need to install Windows 7 again. While you are installing your Windows, you can able to access your file. Press Shift and F10, then it will be open command prompt and click on the file menu and click on open. Then it will open your hard drive, so you can connect another pen drive to your computer and you can copy that files from your computer into that pen drive. So then after you can completely flush your hard drives and reinstall the latest Windows 11. So thank you.